These headphones last 125 hours on a single charge and they cost 32 bucks. And honestly, that hits hard for me, guys, because if you know me, you know that I absolutely hate cables. And the second thing I hate right after that, charging my tech, of course. And that's why I've been using the TrueFree HF-10. They last a ridiculous amount of time on a single charge. That's like 5 full days of non-stop usage, but you're not gonna do that unless you don't sleep or you don't have a life. So realistically, we're looking at almost 2 weeks of battery life from a single charge. Now that's impressive. Now, of course, if you're thinking that you can just put ANC on all the time and these are gonna last you 125 hours, then I'm sorry to disappoint you, but with the ANC, they last only about 85 hours, and that's because ANC is very battery consuming, but that's expected. If you use them in their normal or transparency mode, you can expect a lot more hours of battery life. But it doesn't end here. These headphones are also super lightweight and they also fold, so they're very good for traveling. By the way, I'll leave a link down in the description below plus a coupon code, and if you'd like to support my channel, you can buy them from there. I will be forever grateful. When it comes to buttons, you can see the usual stuff as with any other ANC headphones, which is your volume up, volume down buttons, your power button and your ANC button right here. You can also charge them through the USB-C here, and you can use a 3.5mm jack if you ever need it, or if you ever want to charge them and use them at the same time. You also have a very clear distinction of whether this is the right or the left ear cuff, so I'm pretty sure you're never going to confuse them. But let's talk about the features of these headphones. The ANC mode on these headphones is honestly great, so if you want full silence, you can definitely rely on these. I live next to a very busy roundabout and the road is full of holes, so every time a truck passes, it's like someone is dropping 1,000 metal pipes next to me. But thanks to the ANC here, I don't hear them anymore, which is honestly a blessing. I also don't hear my girlfriend, so it's a double-edged sword sometimes, but that's another story. The transparency mode is pretty good as well. It amplifies the sounds around you very clearly to the point where I can legit hear my neighbors talking sometimes. It's a bit like having super hearing. Very weird, but still cool to have. And for anyone interested in the technical specifications, I'll list them somewhere around here, I don't know. But the main point when it comes to sound is that it's great. Maybe a bit low in volume compared to other headphones that I've tested, but I can't complain at all. You've got Bluetooth 6.0, which my computer sadly does not support, and honestly Windows Bluetooth sucks big time anyway, so I tested them on my phone and they're fantastic. The delay is very minimal, and they also have an app in case you're interested in fine-tuning the sound yourself. Very good stuff.
Now let's talk a little bit about microphones, which I'm using right now with these headphones. They are supposed to have 4 AI ANC microphones that capture your voice clearly while blocking the background noise. And since I don't like going outside to test that, I'll just use my trusty kitchen absorber. Kitchen hood. Yeah, that's the name. Of course, I knew that. This is the absorber on its maximum speed, and I have really no idea how you're able to hear this, but I'll see it when I'm editing the video.
So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments, and while you're at it, you can also like this video as it helped me fight the annoying YouTube algorithm. But moving on. You might be wondering, are they comfortable? Do my ears hurt after prolonged use? Is my head dented from overusing them since I'm also bald? Well, the answer is yes, no, and I have no idea, I hope not. If you have a big bald head just like mine, these are gonna fit you very good, and you can also adjust them as you wish. So no matter what kind of head shape you have, these have you covered, and your ears will definitely not hurt after prolonged use, so that's always a good sign. But I can safely say these headphones are super comfy even after long working sessions for me. The ear cups are soft, so these are definitely not your $20 Walmart headphones that your aunt gave you as a Christmas present. So in conclusion, I'd say that they're definitely great value for your money, but again, the thing I love the most is the battery. I honestly haven't seen anything like it at this price range, ever. If battery life matters to you even a little, these are stupidly good. Talk to you in the next one.